button isn't paradise. I've been missing things, and you don't listen. You've been getting, you've been spending all your time on their life.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be filming a video on all the clothes that I got from Taobao, and they're all dupes of stuff that I find on Depop and on TikTok that are like super viral right now, but I don't want to pay that much for each of it because like honestly it's like fast fashion, and most of the time the clothes that I get from like Princess Polly or like I don't know, stores like that, like Almighty, the quality isn't even that good, so I might as well just buy it off Taobao because they have so many dupes of everything. I'll be reviewing it based on the size and the quality of the clothing and how I like how it fits on me. And I'll be posting all the stores of where I get them from, but most of them are under like $5 to $2, and they're like 30 Hong Kong around. Make sure you subscribe if you want more beauty, fashion, and just like aesthetic stuff, because you know I be that aesthetic girl. I don't want to take too long, so let's just get into it because I know you guys want to see all this Depop, cute, aesthetic, Y2K clothing. So yeah. To give you guys a reference on everything I got, I am 5'2", which is 158 centimeters, and I am like 51 kilos, and my bust is around a D, like a CD. It like kind of varies, and my waist, I wear 24 on jeans or like a 00, and my legs are really short, and I don't have an ass, so like you really don't have to worry about that, but those are my sizes if you guys are wondering. Here is the first shirt that I got, and I'm already wearing it. It's probably one of my favorites. I'm gonna be starting off with shirts because I like wearing the shirts more. I've definitely seen this in a lot of like random Pinterest pages, and I think this was around, let me check. Okay. This shirt itself was 40 Hong Kong dollars, which is $5 US. I think that the quality is really good, like the material is thick, it's not too thin, and it's like really soft. So I'd rate it out of a 10 for the quality, and like how it fits, it's also a 10. I have a really short torso, but I'm sure it fits for anybody with like long to short torso, but it would be pretty cropped for someone with a longer torso. Next up, I have this shirt, and it's supposed to look like this in the that's how they sold it. It comes like this, and then the back is ruched and it's elastic, so I think that's nice. The quality itself is like maybe an 8 out of 10. Like one thing I don't like about it is that these straps, they kind of like hurt your shoulder, and they kind of dig into your shoulder if you make them too tight, but I think it also looks just kind of cheap. I don't know, I don't really like the straps itself, but everything else, like the corset, it's like a corset top I guess, and it's really cute because it's also like adjustable, so if you want you can make it tighter here in the front because you tie these two over like that, and you can also have more variation with the top, so I like these kinds of shirts. Also, I forgot to say that all the shirts that I got them in the smallest size possible because when I read the reviews, all of them said that they're like super skinny, but like all the sizes and stuff just always varied like in the comment section, and then when people like actually bought the items, they never really said like what size they are or like how much they weigh. So most of the time I just like recommend getting the size that you normally get at stores for like most clothing because they don't run small or big, at least for me because I'm like tiny. I just always get the small one, so it's not that bad. But the next shirt is my favorite top right now. It is kind of, I feel like the camera doesn't really do it justice, but here you can see the detailing. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a lingerie top. It looks a lot more yellow in real life. It's like a pale yellow pastel color, and that's what it looks like. It has a little ribbon and then a lace detailing over here at the neckline, and it's kind of like a corset top as well, but it's also cropped. And I don't know, I have an obsession for crop tops, but here I'd rate it maybe like a 10. It also has a ruche. The back is ruched this, and it's really stretchy. The material isn't see-through at all, but there's a little zipper thing that they give you here. quality itself, I rate like maybe like a 9 because it's pretty decent. I mean, like, it kind of makes noises, and I hate clothes that make noises because it's annoying. It's like, why would I wear something that tells people that I'm like right there, you know? Like, I sound like a trash bag. But I'd rate it, yeah, pretty high. But the looks of it, I'd rate 10 because it is my favorite top right now. It's like lemon color, it's so cute. But here's what it looks like on. Here's what it looks like. But one thing is that literally I think my boobs are like too big for this shirt because all of my tit is like up here, but the thing is my bra is still like here. Like, there is still boobage here, and it does not fit in this tiny ass cup that they give you. Got this top. It is a blue floral pattern, also the same lace detailing. But quality wise, I'd rate this maybe like a 6 because it is kind of see-through and it kind of like jushes out like in a way that's like weird. You'll see it when I'm actually wearing it. It's like a baby doll dress kind of feel. Like, I feel like it would be cuter as a dress rather than as a top. But it gives you adjustable straps, and so did the other ones that I got earlier other than the black one. They were all adjustable straps. It kind of goes out on the ends, and on the side they give you these 2 little straps that you can pull out like this, so you can tighten it as much as you want, and it looks like a piece of garbage. But also, one thing I hate about it is that it makes noise. Like, why would you do that? This is what it looks like. I don't like it too much. It kind of cuts off at a weird part. Like, if I like move it downwards like this, you can always see my bra no matter what bra I'm wearing, unless I'm wearing like little pads and stuff, then it'd be fine. But the back like puffs up like this, and it looks like a 5-year-old shirt. But it's nice when you're like bloated, so you can wear something when you're bloated. But you can also bring it in like that. I look like a toad. I don't like that. Here is the next shirt that I got. It is like a tie-dye top. It's kind of satiny. The outside looks a lot nicer, but it does wrinkle really easily. It doesn't really feel like satin. I don't know what it is, but it's like not cotton. Still pretty soft. It's nice to wear. It's comfy. One thing is that like after a couple of washes, it does kind of start fraying a bit. Like you can see here, it starts fraying. So it's not it's okay. But quality wise, I would rate it a 7 out of 10. The back looks like this. You can tie it at the front as well. It's like one of those TikTok bandana tops that you can see everywhere that people DIY, but I like it better like this because a lot of the times it's hard to find a bandana top that actually fits your entire chest area. So the next are these 2 tops. They're really similar in quality, so I'm just gonna do them together. But I do like this pattern a lot more than I like the green because it comes off as kind of like neon. I look like a highlighter when I'm wearing them. But this one looks kind of cheap as well. I don't recommend buying these because these elastic bands, they look so cheap, but I think in photos and stuff it does look fine. Here is the first top. There are dupes from Almighty. It literally says Almighty, but it's not from there. I would recommend getting it from there actually because quality wise, I'd rate this maybe, it's really soft but it feels like a swimsuit, so I'd rate it like maybe 2 out of 10. Like a 2 out of 10, yeah. It's soft, but 2 out of 10. It comes with these little bows at the end. It's like a strawberry top. This one would fit someone who is taller by a lot because as you can see when you hold the 2 together, if you align the tops here, this one's a lot shorter than this one. So I'm probably gonna end up hemming this one to be the same length as this. But here's what it looks like on. With this top, you can see that it is a lot shorter than the other one. It kind of ends here. And there is no boobage that you can show unless you have really long, like this part, otherwise it doesn't really work. Since the straps are super stretchy, it doesn't really choke you if you like cross the tops. So with like no necklace, it looked cuter, but this way you get boobage and you get it cropped and tighter and it fits a lot nicer. Here's the next one. It's not flattering at all and it gets super like spacey at the end, but it's supposed to be a crop top, so it looks kind of like PJs and it's just ugly. So I'm probably gonna end up making a bikini top out of this shirt, so I'll be doing a throat flip. No, it's not really a throat flip. Here, the next piece is the holy grail of all Depop queens. Like, I swear they would oversell the shirt so often, and every single time you scroll through like a Pinterest page, you would always see this top. It is the legendary purple ruched top with the little like caged like detailing here. We all know how this one looks. Quality wise, I'd rate it a 10 out of 10 because it is so soft, and I hate clothes that make sound, and guess what? This makes like the slightest amount of noise. I've washed it 4 or 5 times and it still has yet to like, you know, like fray or anything. It's so cute. The only problem that I have with it is the fact that the straps are a bit too long for me personally because I'm kind of short, but I'm sure that if you just like alter the straps a bit, then it'd definitely be like exactly your length because they don't come with adjustable things. The next purple top that I also got, so it kind of has these like little 2 padding areas for your boobs there, and you can like either cross it in the front like that, or you can make it a halter top. It is also cropped. It's really soft, so I'd rate this a 10. And I don't know, it just feels like a quality shirt that you get anywhere else, but it was like $3, so it's chill. I rate it a 10 out of 10 quality, and looks wise, I'd rate it like a 7 or an 8. My camera died again, but here is the zebra one, which is a lot taller. It's longer, doesn't fit my head too well, covers my eyes, and I have a pretty big head, so I don't know why it's so big. How one is perfect. It fits right at the top. I can see it doesn't block my view, doesn't fall off easily. This one. The next are these glasses that I got. They make everything pink. It's kind of cool. I like them. They're nice. They go into my lashes though, so I can't see that well. They look kind of stupid when you wear them properly, but they're just fun to play with. They came with a case as well. 10 out of 10. They're so cute. From the same store, I also got ones, but in black. They're like pointy. It looks stupid when I wear it like this too, but you know, they're just for the Insta vibes when you wear it like this. They're cute. 10 out of 10. My jewelry. So I got them, I'm pretty sure, from the same store. First one is this little pearl light bulb thing. It's like that. I think it's super cute. The quality is amazing. I've worn it in the shower and it hasn't rusted yet, so it's really good quality. It's kind of like a choker necklace, but it's like a pearl thing here. Next one is this shimmery choker thing that has stars and little things on it. Goes around like the top, so I use it as like a layering necklace so that I could put like the bigger necklaces, like the one I just showed you, at the bottom, so it's cute to layer with. The next one is this really simple heart like fake crystal thing. The next one is this top. This heart one, it is so cute. I think it looks so classy. Onto the bigger fake necklaces. I didn't even know it was like actual Vivian Westwood or not, but these came for so cheap. I didn't want to buy them off Depop, so they're the typical Vivian Westwood choker necklaces that you can find only on Depop, but they oversell them to a point where it's insane and it's out of stock. I was like, okay, the quality is amazing. You can't even tell that it's fake. It literally feels like real ones. They're pretty heavy too, and it even comes with a little bag that says Vivian Westwood, and it also says it on the actual like jewelry itself. Like, you see that? Like, wow, China. But I also got it in pink. Next one, I got this fake Juicy one because I don't think they sell these anymore. I can't find Juicy anywhere. It's like a fat chain. It is so heavy. It has a little J on it and a Juicy heart. The little thing. The last one is this gold simple minimalistic chain. I think it is like coated with like 24K. I'm not sure, but it's also really nice, cheap, pretty heavy. It's nice. 10 out of 10. All the jewelry is 10 out of 10. Super shiny, never rusty. Last but not least, we have the most important and the one that everyone has been waiting for. my bag collection. Let's start off with the yellow and then go to the purple bags. First one is this one. I have stuff in it currently and the quality is insane. It's super squishy and I put a lot of stuff in here, like everything fits. It's all fine. It has a little pocket inside as well, so it's a really cute like handbag because it literally fits like everything. You can adjust the straps as well, so that's what it looks like. The next one is this bag. It comes with a little chain or like a rope thing as well, but I don't really like to use it. It's super hard. You can literally hold it horizontally and hit people with it too. But that's what it looks like. It's so cute. It kind of smells weird when you first buy it, but it fits so much stuff. It does fit my iPhone and it fits like my wallet as well, and I can fit a jacket in here even though it's so small. It's literally the size of my face. Like my face isn't that small, but like why is it bag the size of my face, you know? But it does fit everything and it's such a cute like match to any outfit because it's like a lime green color, so it's super nice. The bag that I got came also with a strap, but I like the pearly ones more. This one can kind of fit my phone if I don't put a phone case on it, but it opens like this. As you can see, the quality is not that good, so I'd say like a 6 out of 10. But looks wise, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. It is so cute. It's like a Tiffany turquoise pastel-y color, and it closes like that in the front so nothing ever falls out. But it's just really cute. It has these little studs at the bottom, so it like is like stable on the tables and stuff, and it doesn't scratch easily because it also has studs on the side, so you can genuinely hit people with this as well. Best murder weapon, 10 out of 10. Now we're going into my purple bags. My first purple bag is this one. It also came with a strap, but it's so classy. It's so cute with like everything. Here's what it looks like inside. It has a little zipper as well. It also kind of smells bad, but quality wise, 10 out of 10. This one looks so classy and it doesn't look like anything like cheap. And the clasp is like this kind of clasp, so nothing ever falls out. And there's so much space. There's also a zipper too. Yeah, I love this one. It's like a light purple pastel color. Next one is this one. It comes with 2 straps, but I like this one more, so I'm using this. Looks like that. It's like kind of like a crocodile print, but of course it's like fake, so it's super cheap. It has these massive hoops, so you can like put anything with it. It does have like a magnetic thing, so you close it like that here, and they have a card holder inside, and there's lining that's like black, so it's really nice. Comes with this strap that's purple, so you can wear it as like a handbag or like a side bag. I mean, like a shoulder strap bag, you know, like this. Next one is my favorite bag. It is this one. It comes with different straps that you can use as well. I just interchange all of my straps together. But it's like this. It has like a little plaid pattern in the front, and then on the back it's empty, so you can use it both sides to see like which side matches more. But it has these gold detailings around the hoops, so it's super cute too. The quality is insanely good. One thing is just that this makes so much noise. The next one is the JW Pay bag dupe, I think. I don't know if it's a dupe or if I actually got it from JW Pay, but it is super big. It's like those baguette bags, and it has one little pocket thing here and another like inner pocket that you can open, and you can fit so much in here, but it's like super expandable, but it's just harder to close, but it goes like big. And it has a shoulder strap, and it's like super like nice just because it doesn't like dig into your shoulders, so yeah, 10 out of 10. Next one is this little cow print bag. I just got it because I think it's cute and it's nice on Insta photos. You really can't put anything in here unless you have like a tiny iPhone or something, like lipstick, but you just can't have a phone in this bag.